everybody, welcome. Thanks for joining me here today. If you're new, please subscribe. Today's video is on this painting. It's a two-part process. The first was a fluid pour, the neutral background, and the second, after it dried, is this beautiful ribbon. Keep watching to see how I created this. Okay, here it is, a 20 by 20. I am just so excited to see how this is going to turn out. I think it will be beautiful. In my mind, it will be beautiful. So this is a two-step process. And this is the first part, and I have to let it dry. And then, hopefully tomorrow, if it's dry, I will do the second part. And you will see that right away, of course. This is a light gray. It's called Seashell Gray. I absolutely love this color. And then just a Mars Black from Liquid Texas here. That's it. Black and white, basically. And to begin with. So here we go. Okay, so that looks really good. This is what I had in mind, something very light, so that I could put another pattern on top of this. So I will let this dry and I will come back to it tomorrow, and hopefully my vision will be exactly on here tomorrow. We'll see what happens. All right, see you soon. Here are the colors that I used. It is a Pebeo Studio Acrylics Payne's Gray, the acrylic Sky Blue, and Primo Gold, which looks really beautiful. And I mixed it with some Floetrol and water, and that's it.